Hi everyone, it's Ethan here with AZ Health Insurance Brokers. Here's a quick little guide on getting insurance for being self-employed, if you're a freelancer, 1099, whichever term you want to use there. Now, if you're coming from a current group plan, maybe you're switching jobs, then you'll have the option for COBRA in almost every instance there. Now, COBRA is something that you can hold on to for up to 18 months, and it is a continuation of the current insurance policy that you have through your previous employer. Now, a lot of times those policies end up being good in most instances there. Sometimes they can be a little bit expensive there. Most of the time, the cost ends up being a bit higher, so we end up looking at alternative options. However, in some instances, if you're taking a lot of prescriptions, if you have a lot of health insurance issues going on, then COBRA can be a good viable option, and that might be a better route for you just to continue with what you currently have there. Now, you're also going to have the option to look at the Affordable Care Act, or another term for the Affordable Care Act is the marketplace. Now, there's quite a few different carriers that you have the option to choose from there. And the marketplace can be a really popular option if you can get a discount based on your income or if you have pre-existing conditions there. Now, with marketplace, there is the annual open enrollment period, which goes from November 1st to December 15th. In a lot of instances, it may be extended to January 15th. If you're switching jobs outside of that year, you're turning into that self-employment role in the middle of the year, then you a lot of times will qualify for what's called a special enrollment period, where you have up to 60 days to enroll and designate which plan you want there. The marketplace is generally a better option. So another option is going to be private plans. Here in Arizona, there's quite a few different private plans to choose from. Now, with the private plans, those are generally a really good option for clients that are relatively healthy and that don't qualify for much, if any, of a discount based on income. You also have the option to look at group plans. Group plans is something that you would be able to offer or set up if you have more than one employee outside of yourself or a spouse. Now, with the group plans, there's a lot of different moving parts. There's not really a one size fits all, but generally when we set up a group plan, we don't set it up to save money. It's generally more of a value add when you switch over to a group plan. So again, you can look at COBRA depending on if you switch jobs. We could look at and consider marketplace or the ACA. We could also consider private plans or group options there. Again, if you have any questions, if you want any insight and help or direction with which plan might make the most sense based on your scenario, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist. Again, Ethan here with AZ Health Insurance Brokers.